Hello guys, if you remember the first video I make, we picking malunggay or drumstick. Then now we make a powder and I'm going to sell for $15. So this is what we did. We make a powder it and then ready to sell. So let's say what we did before and after. It's like lechon baboy.
While I'm carrying on my shoulder.
There's more? It's like, it's so heavy. It's not good.
Papa!
It was full. There is
Okay.
a
Oh,
colorful one
it's so cool.
that can camouflage.
That's what you think.
Oh God. There enough. Real malunggay. Okay, pictures or video? Pictures or video? It's alright. You can you can cut it.
Okay?
This is video.
What do you want to do? Picture.
Okay, wait.
Picture's better quality.
Okay, picture first. Wait. Alright, smile, malunggay man.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, here we are powderizing the leaf. We separated all the leaf from the stalk, so you get 100% leaves. When it comes from countries like Asia, you get a lot of the branch and the sticks with it. As a test, I did grind some of the sticks up, and you get a lot lighter green color product. And also just taste a little bit woody compared to the malunggay itself. So you definitely don't get a pure product. That you get a lot of, they just grind up the sticks and everything, but we separate them. So you get 100% leaf, and the taste is phenomenal, and the smell is great. But you get 100% leaf, organically grown and manufactured in Australia. It doesn't come from India, it doesn't come from Malaysia. This is Australian grown organic malunggay. And try a batch, you know, try a packet of 100 grams and see what we mean. You'll notice the difference. We've also vacuum packed it for freshness. So yeah, it's postage is included in Australia. So if you want to try one, be quick because we have limited stock this year. But next year we've got more plants coming along, so next year the crop will be higher. So
This is pure organic malunggay. We just blend outside, and then now we need to, what is that called? Strainer again?
yeah, I just want to strain out any lumps that happen
Lumps.
from the heat in
Yeah.
the blender. There'll be no impurities in here, just want to get the lumps out.
Wow, that's super green. So healthy looking.
And the smell, I wish it was smell-o-vision, because believe me, the smell is incredible. It's just that the blades produce so much heat. It bonds the powder together. But this is all you can get from one big tree, so that's why it's expensive, because you know, you're limited to how much you can get of one tree. Look like green dunes. But yeah, you're right, this would be very nice in cooking, like baking bread and stuff.
Like we're doing now, Philippines, making a bread malunggay.